What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Thank you for all the subscriptions and all the love and support on our channel and our previous videos. If you're new to the channel and you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Today we're going to check if we can get the big block to turn around. Okay. Turning around finally. Now we're going to make sure that we just put a cable on the starter, that it's not that redneck style with a screwdriver, and then hook up the ignition coils, then put some gas in it, and hopefully maybe she will fire, maybe she don't. So we got the ground hooked up, so now it should have ground all over the chassis. So let's check and hopefully she will turn over now. Working like a champ, guys. Now the part that we need to fix is make sure that the coil gets enough current so we can have some spark. Okay guys, to my knowledge, it now should have spark. We will get the spark plug now, put it in the spark plug wire and check if she will spark. Okay, so she's not firing. Now we're going to take the distributor cap off to see what's maybe here lying underneath. For some weird reason, guys, we still don't have any spark. So now we need to check the wires one by one, if there's any current going through. So still, even if we had an extra ground, we checked the wire and there's current going through the coil, but still no spark. Okay, so we got the flatbed trailer hooked up to the truck. Now it's time to get ourselves our spare cap and also some spare parts which are laying around. it back to the shop. We got a bunch of spare parts laying around, parts that is missing, extra parts, I don't know, we all have to sort it out. And we have our spare cap outside. Okay, so we got another ignition coil that's supposed to be with the car. We got this while we were picking up the cap. So it's time to install this sucker and let's see if she will have spark now. Okay, so she's sparking like the 4th of July. Now it's time to clean the spark plugs and install the spark plugs, put a little bit of gas in it and check if she will fire. Okay guys, so we got the spark plugs in. She's sparking, so that's a good sign. But now we need to remove the carburetor because it's completely stuck. So let's go. She is dirty, guys. I don't know if she will run. Okay guys, so it's still not OE, but she's moving again. So we will put it back on the car and then check if she will fire. Okay guys, so she fires up. We need to go to the parts store to get some wire, a few hoses as well, so we can hook up a tank somewhere so we can keep her running for a longer time than this. That's it for today's video guys. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thanks for watching, thanks for all the love and support, and see you in the next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.